Down, set, hike. Tackling with your.
Try it one more time, all right, Dad?
You gotta get lower in your tackle. You gotta get low and put your shoulder. Look, you gotta hit with your shoulder.
Well, and if I tackle the legs?
Tackle, yeah.
I'm gonna try to tackle the legs.
All right, down, set, hike. There we go.
Can I go?
Yep.
You need to tackle under the legs.
Tackling a tiny little kid.
All right. And
3-point stance.
tackle under the legs, all right? And
Down.
hike.
Hike. There we go. That's a good tackle.
Under the legs. Under the legs, all right?
Yeah.
Fisher, under the legs, all right?
Set, hike. You better watch out longer. Yeah.